Seth Berenzweig is joining us, as well as Eric Schwartzreich, both criminal defense attorneys. Thank you both for being on here. Seth, I'd like to start with you if I can on this. Thoughts on the director of federal housing filing not one but two criminal referrals, obviously letting her go through this process. And many are pushing back, saying that she needs due process to play out. She's innocent until proven guilty. But negligence is cited in the sheer fact of these allegations. What are your thoughts, Seth?
Well, it's a very interesting case. The notion of three strikes and you're out really is an indicator of a potential pattern here. First of all, the initial criminal referral was already serious enough because she, within the same time frame, posted two principal residences, and unless she had some kind of an out-of-body experience, it's literally impossible for her to be in two places at the same time. Now, as you noted with the second criminal referral, you now are starting to see a pattern. This is basically an employment case on steroids. Although typically in the world of employment law, someone can be removed from a position or job with or without cause. This is a for-cause removal because under the Federal Reserve Act, that's the standard that the president has to meet. So really, it comes down to the basic standard malfeasance or misconduct. And I think that the government has a pretty good case here. In this drama that lands in a courthouse here in D.C. this morning, and the hearing will start at about 10 a.m., it's going to be an uphill battle. The standard for a TRO, a temporary restraining order, requires the plaintiff to show a likelihood of success on the merits. And while it's going to be a very close call, I think that the president has the discretion and authority. For cause is not really defined under the act. Did the president act reasonably here? And especially when you have an appearance of impropriety, I think it's going to be close, but I think the president has a strong argument. It's going to be an uphill battle for Lisa Cook.
Yeah. And I think President Trump sort of laid it out generically, right? You're talking about a woman who has influence on setting mortgage rates for the country, American citizens who want to secure those rates. And there are allegations that she messed up on her own application here. And what's interesting, Eric, is that to your point, we're only a few minutes away now from this court hearing where a federal judge is going to listen into this case assigned to Judge Gia Cobb, Biden appointee. By the way, Lisa Cook was appointed by President Biden also. It's kind of quick how fast this is all happening, right? Could you maybe walk us through what we could even expect this morning?
You know, it's quick, Emma, and good morning, and it's fast moving, and it is going to be a legal battle. And Trump tried to fire her by tweet. He tried to get rid of her, and she didn't want to swipe right. She inserted the independence of the Fed. And what's going on here is Trump has to claim its cause, defined as gross misconduct. And that's what the legal battle is going to be. Right now, it is just a criminal complaint. She's saying that this is retaliation. But, you know, this might be decided before it even gets in the court. And while it's moving quickly, when we see like the next federal interest rate is going to go up, is it going to go down? But we do expect it's going to be a court battle. And is this a for-cause firing or is it retaliation? That's the legal issue.
All right, watching 15 minutes from now, Seth Berenzweig joining us, Eric Schwartzreich. Thank you both.
Appreciate it, guys. Thank you.